So I want to,
2 pumps of pumpkin, 2 pumps of white mocha, and you said ice?
you know what? Let's do it iced.
Yeah, ice. I mean, I'm all about the ice pumpkin spice.
Ice pumpkin spice. It sounds good.
Is this for you?
Yeah, it's for me. And
I love it.
yeah, and actually,
All right, we're gonna make you a Cinderella latte, okay? Anything else you need?
that will take care of it.
All right, we'll see you at the window, Cinderella.
Thanks. Hello. So, did you already Google it and see if that was like a real thing? You didn't Google it? Okay, it's like all over the internet. It's like people are obsessed with the Starbucks secret menu item, the Cinderella latte. You thought I was making it up, didn't you?
But like, what did you didn't just Google Cinderella latte?
Oh,
so how'd you come up with it?
She saw it online. I do YouTube reviews. So like,
is
yeah,
that what you're doing right now?
it may be part of it.
Check out the Showstopper shows on YouTube.
All right, so I'm pulling out of Starbucks right now, and guess where I'm pulling? Into a parking spot. And I am about to taste the Cinderella latte for all of you guys out there. She was laughing and calling me Cinderella. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but Cinderella stories are always good. So here it is right here. It looks just like a normal iced pumpkin spice latte. She also put the pumpkin spice on the top right there with some whipped cream. I'm normally not a whipped cream person. I was hoping she would call it the Cinderella latte. She did not. She just called it an iced pumpkin latte. Venti, 2 pumps of white mocha and 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce. Let's get our sauce on, guys. Wow, that smells like fall. That's good. It tastes like a white chocolate, like pumpkin spice latte is what they would be like. It's just like a lot more smoother. It takes the bite out of the spice. Yeah. It's got, you know how white chocolate mocha is really sweet? So that's what I'm getting from this. So let me break that down. It's definitely got a good caffeine espresso flavor like the lattes have. It's got the beautiful smell of pumpkin spice. And then it has that nice sweet aroma. Guys, what do you think I'm gonna rate this? You're like, Showstopper, you just got caught Cinderella in the drive-thru multiple times. You tried this out. Let me tell you guys, that is a Showstopper sizzle. Oh my goodness, that's good. Thanks to Sarah here for filming me today. It is a little sweet though, so just remember that. If you don't want a good super sweet iced coffee or iced drink, this would not be the beverage for you. I would probably go without the whipped cream on the next one. But it's so good. I'm gonna give that a score of 99. That is amazing. That is good. Guys, it's basically, as long as the pumpkin spice latte is available, this is available too. Now, I've just educated an entire Starbucks store here in Little Huntsville, Alabama. You can go out and educate your local folks too. We're gonna go have a ball like Cinderella and be the star of it too and finish drinking all this.
That is so good.
Thanks for watching. May the force be with you. Thanks to Starbucks back here for making this for me. She did a great job. I love her personality too. Keep it up. May the force be with you. May his presence be with you always. Put a ball in this show because that's a wrap. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all.